Pacific welcomes you to Caticlan Airport. And we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 10 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight crew Captain Concepcion and First Officer Domingo, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of our important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy, kindly clear your seats, pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose it in the bins near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po namin pinaalalahanan ang lahat ng panao na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais niyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lang na dalhin ng mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Salamat po.
Record samples for arrival and cross check.
Your captain will send up on party to a safety-related procedure. Please remain seated. As a safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you stand up and get your bags. Mangyari po lamang manatiling nakaupo at antayin matanggal ang fasten seatbelt sign bago po tayo tumayo para po sa ating mga tagadalahan. Maraming salamat po. And for guests within, pantain flight guests shall be collected after this embarkation. For safety reasons, it is now the safest time for you to stand up and get your bags. For safety reasons, please the infant life is inside the seat pocket, and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life is from the aircraft is serious offense.